National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Champaign County, northern Warren County, Greene County, Clark County, Montgomery County, southeastern Miami County, until 8 p.m. At 6:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Pleasantville to Trenton, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Dayton, Springfield, Kettering, Beaver Creek, Huber Heights, Fairborn, Xenia, Troy, Trotwood, Miamisburg, Springboro, Vandalia, Englewood, Tip City, Bellbrook, Moraine, New Carlisle, Oakwood, and Yellow Springs. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 26 and 69. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 58 and 61. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 41 and 74. A severe